Wow. Johhny Holiday and Camera Mom did a really fine job on this. And I'm Johhny the Elf. And these are Johhny Holiday's glasses. I don't really like to do much work. So I know I've got to take my time over here pretending to do stuff here. I better not do that. It might damage it. Who cares? I think it looks cool though. And there's nothing I got to do right now. Now that this nice little item is built. Special for someone out there looking for it. Just about 30 days until Christmas. Wow. Not too far away. But I just wonder and wonder if I'll get to keep having fun like this. Or if they're going to make me do work. But no one can catch me in my fun little lair. No one ever comes down here to visit me at any point in time. I usually get all the pre-made toys I already made, and I gotta box them up. There's nothing special for me to do. And I can't hardly see.
What are you doing?
I was getting ready to box this up and send it out.
Why do you have Mr. Polar Bear's hat?
Well, that's because I was pretending to be a polar bear to deliver that with the polar bear head on and to someone special out in the community.
You know, you sit down here and you just fiddle and faddle around and you don't get anything done.
I put new lights up. I did that.
Well, I got a special assignment for you, Johhny the Elf.
What is it?
Straight from Santa himself.
Okay, what do I got to deliver? Because you know I don't build.
Nope.
You know I don't build.
Nope. I need you to make this for Santa.
This is a storage box. Not only just a storage box, but an owl storage box. Check that out. Look at that thing. Can they see that? I hope they can. Hope you guys can see it out there. It's going to be 3D like. I just don't know if you can trust me with this 3D wooden puzzle to put together.
I got faith in you, Johhny the Elf.
All right. Let's get to this.
I think you can do it.
Okay. You're going to help me, right?
I got a few things I got to go run and do real quick. I've got some cookies in the oven and I got to put another batch in.
Oh, can you bring me some hot chocolate, please?
After you get started and I see that you're making leeway on this,
yes,
I might bring you some.
Yeah, I'll just tear this open and do it in no time. You get it open for me. Now, this particular item, I think from my sensors here, my brain, and from Miss Claus here, where did we get this from? Which shipping storage area did we get this from?
From Hobbytown.
Hobbytown, I like that place.
In Evansville, Indiana.
Oh, they have a bunch more though. See, we have to get some of these things, and we've got to put them together for everyone out there that wants a gift. So don't worry about it. We're going to do it.
I'm out, guys.
You're out. Hot chocolate! All right. I don't need no directions. Yes, I probably do. This is, they say on here, it's a level 3 assembled, huh? It's for children not for children under 3. Well, luckily I'm 4. 400 years old, that is. Okay, let's open it up. Whoa, wow, wow, wowzers, 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 wowzers. That looks different. That looks different. I need to get this part open. Ooh, whoa. Look at the instruction list on this thing. And let me give you a better close-up of it. And here's some of the wood pieces. It can look intimidating, but I know that I can do it, and when Miss Claus gets back, we'll be able to do it together. Man, definitely looks intimidating, but like I said, with the instructions and all that, Who cares? I'm just going to have fun. No, I definitely better get back to this before Miss Claus comes back, or she's going to see I haven't really done anything just yet. But, first directions up says we need to grab A9. It's easy to pick off. It's a little bit, there we go. You know, watch it. It'll come off easy, but that looks like that piece. That's A9. Oh, man. It's going to be a minute. Hopefully we can get this done. Next up, I need to grab A1, which I believe up here in this corner, it says that these wings, I don't know if you guys can see right here, are A1 right there. Okay, let's get those out of there. Another piece came out. Some of the pieces are a little loose. Some, there we go. Then it says I need to get, I don't need this one yet. Let me put that back so I don't lose it. Then I need A4 and A5. And they're just little pieces like this. And a littler one is A4. And a little bit longer one is A5. Man, this is really getting tough. I think it's time for me to take a nap. Oh, what's that smell? It smells like old popsicle sticks or something. It's just this wood thing I'm putting together. I'm back awake. Okay. Whew. This is hard work. But I must need some hot chocolate immediately. Oh, but I can't keep waiting. I've already fell asleep once, and I'm not going to...
Johhny the elf, what are you doing?
Flying to the moon?
And to think I brought you hot cocoa.
That's what I need to stay awake.
But your fault. The deal was you would have some work done.
I do. I've peeled some pieces out.
But you've done nothing.
Au contraire. This now is no longer a storage box, but a universal mustache. See, here I am from the wild, wild west. They call me Curly Bill.
Santa's gonna be mad.
And here Santa will be happy because this is the Hollywood hoaxster. Actually, it was like this for hoaxster. Oh, it doesn't matter. We'll get back to it.
Johhny.
Yes. I'm trying to be innovative.
Drink your cocoa and get to work.
Okay. We're going to speed this up with a little bit of magic help from the elves. multiple spots. I think for like pencils and pens, wouldn't you think?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to do that one. We'll put that right there. Now, we are going to, you can take these items and see. Look at that. And if you wanted to put, it's too big. But, if you wanted to put like a remote, look at that. See the lights. Fits right down in there. Easy to use storage area. Alright guys, there it is right here. Johhny the Elf is excited with Miss Santa to get this done here. And now we've got to do something a little bit extra. Last time we added lights and stuff to this. This time we're going to take this nice lacquer here that I picked up from another Depot store called, not Home Depot, but Lowe's. So we're going to pick that up, and we picked it up to be able to use it. I'm going to first spray these little boxes here. And then we'll spray the owl. It's going to give it nice candy-coated type of cover, which y'all know everyone likes some good candy during Christmas. Now, best bet is to let that sit, and we're going to spray the owl next. Well, we are done, guys, and there it is. Johhny the Elf has got it finally done. Look at this, and Miss Santa Claus helped out with all of the extra work we put into this. Just a little bit. We did a little bit of spray of that lacquer spray, and we had to do 2 applications. It gave you a little bit more of a nice little candy-coated shell, and that's what we like. We love candy. There's the boxes out of there right there. Like I said, it has the different compartments you can use. Isn't that cool? But this one is the main one I see a lot of people using right here, the pencil. But yeah, it took 2 applications, guys, so we had to. There we go. We had to put 2 applications on there, so you had to wait 30 minutes before you put the other one. So there it is, the finished project of the storage container, of the storage owl container. This would make a great Christmas gift for whoever may want to use it. I mean, look at this thing. It's cool. You can put some lights in here or something, or some glow-in-dark paint. All we did is put some lacquer on it, and now someone across the world is going to get a really cool item. And check it out. The storage containers are awesome. And it was only 10 bucks, so not really a bad buy at all. I think it's cool. Comment down below what you think about it. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. We've got another one coming up where we're going to do something that travels across the ground and takes things to where you need to have them taken to. What is it? I know there's going to be numerous kinds of things. Well, you'll have to hit the little bell and be notified next time we upload so you can see what it is. That's all I have, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Until next time, guys, Johhny the Elf says, keep on a-working. And next time, it'll probably be Johhny Holiday back doing some more of the work.